Welcome back to my channel. And this garlic, the ingredients: carrots and the black beans, nuts and cabbage, and yeah, I prepared this all, and that's the veggies. And also I have corn here. That's corn. Can in a can. And yeah, that's corn. So here, this the pan with the butter. So I'm going to saute the garlic, and that's the garlic. Yeah. You can add a lot of garlic, it's better. I use only garlic in here. And so that's it. I add this cheese. I add first the carrots and the black beans, and mix it all. That's the butter in the garlic, the butter and the vegetables. Yeah, mix it very well, and then just leave it. Then that carrots. So next I add this corn. 2 cans of corn. I love corn, so I add a lot of corns. Corn butter. And yeah, that's, look at that, it's so good. Then so next I add this ground pepper, and yeah, that's, yes, I mix it and mix it all. I add some what do you call it, granules, or yeah, that's it. So I mix it all again, and yeah, that's look like, that's my vegetables look like, and I cover up and leave it around. I didn't take the time, I guess. Sorry, I feel it if it's cooked. Yeah, like that. I guess 15 or 10 minutes. You just check it, and that's the vegetables, but they like half cooked. This is a half cooked type of. And next I add the cabbage. Look at that cabbage in there, and mix it all again. Look at the cabbage in there, and mix it. That's the look like that. And yeah, I guess I cover up again and leave it around like 10 minutes, or you can check it if you feel like it's cooked. And that is so good. I'm excited to eat again. And that one, look at that, it's gonna be so yum. That's my vegetable. So yeah, I'm ready to serve and ready to eat. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.